guys, I hope you're all well. It is a random Wednesday afternoon. Just gotten home from picking up Jensen from nursery and the house is trashed. We're halfway through, just over halfway through the summer holidays, and I don't think I have ever had such a messy, cluttered, probably unclean house. Like, I have been cleaning a little bit, but nowhere near what I used to be. I used to do, like, as you guys know, cleaning videos all the time, minimizing, tidying. I used to feel very on top of things organisation-wise, and it seems to be, since I've moved into this house, I kept it up for a while, but it's summer holidays have just kicked my butt. I just feel like trying to keep on top of my blog and YouTube and my Tropic business as well, and trying to keep the boys entertained. Obviously the dad's in Jamaica, so it's just me here, and Jasper's not doing any like holiday clubs or anything. Jensen goes to nursery or preschool now twice a week, but yeah, I just haven't had the time, or I haven't made the time, I haven't prioritised the time. But yeah, I walked through the door today and I just thought, no, enough is enough. I need to sort out this mess. So I'm gonna do a bit of a speed, tidy, declutter. Probably not clean, I'm probably gonna wait and clean for another video because otherwise it's gonna be really long. But yeah, I'm gonna tidy and I'm gonna be decluttering, clearing things out, stuff for charity, stuff for the bin. Yeah, so hopefully you will see quite the transformation. So this is what it looks like now. As you can see, it's not me. I feel like if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that this is not what my home normally looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this into hopefully something a little bit more organised and just something that can make me feel more zen, because I feel like when it's a mess and cluttered, I feel stressed, and yeah, I'm trying to clear my mind at the moment, so I need to have a clear space to do that. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and wish me luck. Bye.